Hi, it's me. I'm going to assemble this little tiny tombstone to put on my fireplace mantle so that my kids have something cute to look at. This is actually a Cricut image file and it came with 4 layers of each color. And I'm guessing that's because it wanted it to be extra thick. So in between each layer, I am putting some foam tape so that it gives it a little bit of extra dimension. I think paper is kind of cool like that because when you lay it on top of each other, it becomes really thick and super sturdy, especially if you're gluing them directly on top of each other. If you're using thicker cardstock and you're using the foam tape, when you hold this in your hand, it feels really good, like it's solid. Like this is going to be a solid tombstone. And so for the pieces that are the black outline, I place the foam tape on the side so that it has more support, and then I stick it on. So there's one layer. Here is the second layer. And then we have our third layer after this, so it's all poppy outy. And I think this is the last layer that I'm working on right now. And notice how I just put foam tape where needed. I don't put it on every single crevice. So, oh, I'm sorry, there's one more piece. I forgot. Here's the final piece. Right there, rest in peace, they died of laughter. And when I turn it on its side, you'll see it's nice and thick. And then when I lean it up against my fireplace, ta-da! It looks really morbid next to our family picture, but I love it.